This is my son's baby leapfrog bus thing. I think the batteries are kind of dead. Yep. Supposed to touch these, and these are supposed to make sound. But I did unscrew it to see what batteries we do need. And it's 3 triple size batteries. I'm gonna put in some new ones. Always make sure your flat is against the spring. It has different.
Let's jam. Touch a. Let's play a game. Touch the letter. Let's learn letters. Touch a letter. D as in duck. Touch this letter again.
Yeah, so that does that. Subscribe. Have a nice day.